Today's recipe is a delicious Bengali preparation called Dharosh Shorshe or Bhindi Shorshe. Okra is cooked in a delicious gravy that's made of mustard and poppy seed paste. Finger licking good, guys. Let's make this together. Here I've taken approximately 220 grams of okra. I cut them in 1 to 1.5 inch pieces. If the okras are not too long, you don't have to cut them from the middle. Next, we will soak 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds and 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds in some water, and we will soak them at least for 30 minutes. You could also use yellow mustard if you like. After 30 minutes, we will drain the water off and add the seeds into a grinder jar along with 2 green chillies, or as many as you like, and a half a teaspoon of salt. Grinding the mustard seeds with salt cuts through any bitterness of the mustard seeds. Make sure that the paste is nice and smooth. You may need to add in 1 to 2 tablespoons of water. Next, we will set a pan on medium heat and add 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. Mustard oil complements the taste of the gravy absolutely beautifully, guys. Another tip is make sure that the bhindis are nicely dry before you add them. That way they don't get slimy. Take your time and stir fry the okra for approximately 10 minutes or until they turn dark greenish brown in color, like that. Now you can take them out into a bowl and set them aside. Into the same oil, we are going to add half a teaspoon of kala jeera or black cumin along with 1 dried red chilli. You're going to stir fry that for about 20 seconds and then add in half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and some salt to taste. Keep in mind we also added salt in our mustard poppy seed paste. Next, we're going to add in 1 small tomato and we're going to stir fry this until the pieces turn soft and mushy. This should take about 2 minutes or so. Next, we're going to add in the mustard poppy seed paste. You can also add in a little bit of water to the grinder jar and rinse it out as well. We're going to stir this till almost half of the water has evaporated and it turns into a thicker paste. Guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Consider subscribing for exciting recipes every week. It's been about 2 minutes and now you can see that the paste has turned a lot more thicker. At this point, we're ready to add in water. I'm adding in 1 cup of water, but if you like a thicker gravy, then you can add in half a cup of water. If you like it thinner, then add a little more than 1 cup of water. Add half a teaspoon of red chili powder, give it a stir, turn down the heat and place the lid on. Let the gravy simmer for approximately 5 minutes. Guys, I have a blog as well for written recipes, so do check that out. Now we are ready to add in the stir-fried okra. Give that a stir and now we can reduce the consistency of the gravy to your taste. I like the gravy to be like slightly sticky, you know, that gamaka consistency, like this. You can decide how much you would like to simmer the gravy. Lastly, garnish with some coriander leaves, and not to forget, we are also going to garnish with 1 teaspoon or more of mustard oil. When you eat this curry with steaming hot white rice, that fresh aroma of mustard oil makes it so absolutely delicious, guys. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I hope you try it out and I'm going to be waiting for your comments. Alright then, see you next week. Bye-bye.